How are you? This is Aruna, Kaval KGBV, social teacher from Nellore district. 10th class promoted students, congratulations to Alma. Good morning students. Okay, we are going to in the class. Students, one question. Give me answer please. How many planets in the solar system? How many planets in the solar system? Anyone? Okay, very good. 8 planets. 8 planets in the solar system. The Earth is one of the planets on the solar system. The Earth, an active planet. So, we are living on the Earth. The Earth on which we live is full of diversity. We saw the previous classes about aspect of the diversity. Oceans, continents, mountains, deserts, islands, etc. India is vast country. It means that India high diversity, landforms, cultures, traditions, etc. So, India is vast country in the world and great country. In the chapter, we shall study about India relief features. India relief features. Tenth class, first lesson. India relief features. Okay, students. India is very extensive country and lies totally northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere on the globe. Northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere on the globe. And this is in the Asian continent. Which continent? Asian continent. Very good. What is means of hemisphere? Once again, what is the means of hemispheres? Half of the earth usually is divided into northern and southern halves by the equator or into the western and eastern halves by on imaginary lines passing through the poles. For example, this is not circle. This is the earth. The earth. The line 0 degree latitude. The largest latitude. 0 degree latitude. Equator or equator. The 0 degree equator divided the earth two halves. North to south. North, south, east, west. North to south. North part of the earth, northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere and south part of the earth, southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. North part of the earth, northern hemisphere. South part of the earth, southern hemisphere. One question, students. Give me answer, please. In each hemisphere, India located. In each hemisphere, India located. Very good. Northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Okay, ma? Next, recall what you have about latitudes and longitudes in the earlier classes. Latitudes and longitudes. Put this question once again. Latitudes and longitudes, systems of lines used to be describe the location of any places on the earth. These are only imaginary lines. The lines are imaginary lines. Note this. Understand? Note this point. Okay, ma. The earth, 0 degrees longitude, 66.5 Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, 90 degrees South North Pole, same. These are lines, imaginary lines. Latitudes means width. Totally 180 degrees. Next, zero degrees Greenwich line, east direction to west direction, east to west. The largest longitude Greenwich line, international base timeline. Basically timeline, international basically timeline. 0 degrees Greenwich in London. Okay, ma? Longitude means length. Longitudes means length. Longitudes are totally 360 degrees. Okay, students? The location and extension of India. The location and extension of India. India mainland extension between latitudinally and longitudinally. India mainland extension between latitudinally 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, and longitudinally 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitudinally and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. So this is the location and the extension of India. India latitudely 8 degrees 4 minutes, 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitudes and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude, east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude, longitudinally. Okay, students, understand? India, once again, India latitudinally and longitudinally 8.4 minutes north latitudes and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, longitudinally 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitudes and 97 degrees 25 east longitude. So this is location and extension of India. Okay, students, understand? India shares its land boundary with neighboring countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, China, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 7 neighboring countries sharing India land boundary. Okay, students. Next, why is India called peninsula? Why is India called as peninsula? because surrounded by the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean on the south. Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal on the east. Arabian Sea on the west. So, three sides water, one side land. Three side water, one side land. So, in this is Indian Peninsula. There are 7 shares country Indian Peninsula. What are they? Three sides water, one side land. This is peninsula. For examples, countries peninsula: Alaska, Canada, Italy, India. For examples, Alaska, Canada, India, Italy. That's all. Indian Peninsula sharing countries: India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Pakistan. So, this is mapping skill. Children's, one question, you may answer please. Which latitude is divided India? Very good. Tropic of Cancer divided India. Tropic of Cancer is the imaginary line that divides India into almost two equal parts. North India and South India. North India and South India. Tropic of Cancer passes through the following 8 states. Tropic of Cancer passes through the following 8 states. 8 states. This is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees. 23.5 degrees north latitude. These following states, this is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So, Tropic of Cancer passes through the following 8 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Okay, students. Next, what is IST? What is IST? Indian Standard Time is the observed throughout India, and Sri Lanka and Greenwich. Time is the clock time at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London. For India, the central longitude 82.5 degrees east longitude is taken as standard meridian, which passes near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh state. This is Indian Standard Time. So, if it is 12 o'clock noon at Greenwich, 0 degrees. 12 o'clock Greenwich, 0 degree. Greenwich, 0 degree. International time, international baseline time. International baseline time. So, India is 82.5 degrees. 82.5 degrees. The distance between 82.5 degrees. Meridian. 82.5 degrees. East meridian. East longitude. It would be 12 hours 4 minutes PM at 1 degree meridian. So, time difference between Greenwich and India time between 82.5 degrees. 82 which is 82.5 to 4. 3:30 minutes. 3:30 minutes. So, Greenwich time and Indian time 5 hours 30 minutes. Greenwich mean time. Okay, children. Famous Indira Point. Why is famous Indira Point? Why is famous Indira Point, children? Okay. Indira Point is the southernmost point of the Republic of India. It is situated on Great Nicobar Islands. This is not India mainland, but it in the Union Territory of India. Union Territory of India. Okay, students, one question. Give me answer, please. How many states have you presently? Very good. 28 states. How many union territories? Very good. 8. So, one of the Andaman Nicobar Islands is one of the Union Territory of India. Indira Point located This is Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal. The Great Nicobar Islands in nearby in the Indira Point. Indira Point. India mainland bottom in Kerala state. Bottom in Kerala state. This is Indira Point. Okay, children. Next, why is India called subcontinent? Why is India called as subcontinent? It is part of continent. It is part of continent. Why? Because it is having all the different types of cultures, different types of landmass, different types of religions, different types of diversities are called India subcontinent. Okay, students, understand? Why is India called as subcontinent? Different types of languages, so 28 states, 28 languages. Different cultures, for example, Rajasthan culture, Andhra Pradesh culture is very differently. Different landforms, for example, Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Himalayas, islands, different types of landmass. So India is subcontinent. Okay, na? Next, how your life would be different if India is located in Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. The Earth. North Pole, South Pole. North Pole, South Pole. The Earth divided two halves, North Pole, South Pole, 0 degrees. Equator, 23.5 degrees, North latitude, Tropic of Cancer. Next, 66.5 degrees, North latitudes, Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. The 90 degrees, North Pole. 90 degrees to 66.5 degrees between the region are called Arctic Circle. This is Arctic Circle, 77 degrees. This area Arctic Circle. Tundras. Okay, students. The tundra region. Tundra lands are treeless land. Treeless region. Tundra lands are treeless region. The climate is very cold and windy. The climate is very cold and windy. Tundra lands are covered with snow for much of the year. Tundra lands are covered with snow much of the year. In case if India is located in Arctic Circle, India faced same conditions. So the region Tundra region. Tundra means snow land. no land. One very okay students. Location of India. The the geographical location of India. What is geographical location? Different types of locations of in India. What are they? Number 1, vast diversity. Vast diversity. Second, climate conditions. Climate conditions. Growing kinds of crops. Fourth one, enable trade, sea coast, sea routes. Sea routes. Fifth one, coastal lines. Sixth one, variety vegetations. And life form. The geographical locations of India. What are the geographical locations? Different types of geographical locations of in India. What are they? Number 1, vast diversity, climate conditions, growing kinds of crops, enabled sea trade routes, coastal lines, variety vegetations and life forms. Okay, first of all, vast diversity. India is vast diversity. It means that high population, climates, landmass, cultures, traditions, etc. So, India is vast diversity. Next, climate conditions. Different states, different climates. India has a 28 states. So, different faced conditions in India. Different climate conditions. The region, this is coastal region. coastal region. This region desert area or region. This is mountain, the Himalaya mountain region. This is Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Western Ghats region. So different places, different conditions. For example, desert region. The conditions, the climate conditions very high temperature and low rainfall. High temperature, low rainfall. Mountain region, very heavy, very rainfall, low temperature. Coastal region, fertile soils and heavy rainfall. Western Ghats, different types of vegetation and wildlife. This is climate condition in India. Growing kinds of crops. Growing kinds of crops. Different types of crops in India. For example, food grains, non-food grains and cash crops. Next, enabled sea routes. Enabled sea routes and trade routes. This is Indian Ocean. Ocean. This is Bay of Bengal. This is Arabian Sea. This is almost covered with water. So, international trade in India. International trade in India. Next, coastal lines. Coastal lines. Gujarat to Kerala, west coast. Gujarat to Kerala. This is coastal line. Western coastal line. Next, east coast. Tamil Nadu to West Bengal. Tamil Nadu to West Bengal. This area is coastal line. Variety of vegetation and life forms. Mountain region, desert region, different vegetations and wildlife. This is the geographical location of India. Okay. Next. Location of Andhra Pradesh. Location of Andhra Pradesh. Location of Andhra Pradesh. Location of Andhra Pradesh. Shin, latitude, latitude and longitude. Andhra Pradesh lies between lies between 12 degrees 41 minutes. 90 degrees 7 minutes. North latitude. Latitude north. North latitude. Right. 77 degrees to 84 degrees 40 minutes. East longitude. East longitude.
Chinnu.
It has a coastal line of 974 kilometers. 974 kilometers. The state of Andhra Pradesh is located in the southeastern part of the Indian subcontinent. And is bounded by the Indian Ocean. Indian states of Andhra Pradesh lies between 12 degrees 41 minutes, 90 degrees 70 minutes, north latitude, 77 degrees to 84 degrees 40 minutes, east longitude, north latitude, 12 degrees 41 minutes, 90 degrees 7 minutes, north latitude. Longitude 77 degrees to 84 degrees 40 minutes, east longitude. It has a coastal line of 974 kilometers, the second largest coastal line in India. The first largest coastal line in Gujarat. So, this state of Andhra Pradesh is located in the southeastern part of the Indian subcontinent. Subcontinent means different cultures, different population, large population, different culture or subcontinent, and is bounded by the Indian state of Okay. In India says sunrise first and last in India. Therefore, the sunrise is first seen in India by Arunachal Pradesh at doing, while sunrise last at the Gujarat. Gujarat. This is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. This is Gujarat. It is Gujarat. Gujarat. Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat distance between 30 degrees. How many degrees? 30 degrees. 1 degree to another degree distance between 4 minutes. 1 degree to another degree distance between 4 minutes. Okay, students? Why there is difference 2 hours from east to west? East to west. East for east, west. The sunrise is first seen in India by Arunachal Pradesh, last Gujarat. Why there is difference 2 hours from east to west? There is time lag of 2 hours between the easternmost and the westernmost part of India. Is due to the fact that there is 30 degrees difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. 30 into 4, 30 Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat. Distance between 30 degrees. 1 degree to another degree distance between 4 minutes. 30 into 4. 30 into 4. 120. 120 minutes. How many minutes? 120 minutes. So 60 minutes 1 hour. 60 minutes 1 hour. 120 minutes equal 2 hours. 2 hours. So Arunachal Pradesh sunrise firstly, lastly Gujarat. How many difference between 2 states? 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay. Why is the same time followed in Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? Even though there is 2 hours difference between the 2 states, there is a time lag of 2 hours. The watches show the same time. The watches show the same time. Why? Because along the IST, Indian Standard Time. IST. IST passes through in taken as the standard time for the whole country. Whole country. Okay. Next, geological background. The earth is a geological background. India was part of Gondwana land. India was part of Gondwana land. Originated due to geological formation and several other processes like weathering, erosion, deposition. That's all. The process over million years ago have created and modified the physical features of they appear to us today. About 300 million years ago, the 7 continents formed one massive supercontinent called Pangaea. Which is called Pangaea, Greek for whole land. Greek for whole land. This supercontinent of Pangaea broke out from one of the Ankara Gondwana land. This is two blocks were separated by a long shallow into land sea. Tethys Sea. Okay, students. Today we will learn about this topic. The Earth, introduction, location of India, what is the means of hemisphere, latitudes and longitudes. Why is India called as peninsula? Why is India called as subcontinent? What is IST? Next, geological background. Okay, students, mapping skills. Assignment. Creative questions for new model examination. Some questions. Number one. In which state the sun rise first? In which state the sun rise first? Second one of the India standard meridian passes here. Third one, the Indian peninsula was part of. Fourth one, why is India called as subcontinent? Fifth one, what is the standard meridian of India? Next, mapping skill. The standard is 6th standard, 10th class, social textbook, examination. Locate the following places given in India map. Number 1, West Bengal. Second, China. Third one, Indira Point. Fourth one, the Indian Ocean. Okay, students, we will meet next class. Thank you for all.